In this video, I am going to show you how to add featured content to your LinkedIn profile. So let's get started. At first, you need to log in your LinkedIn account. Then you need to click here Add Profile section. From there, you need to select Add Featured. Okay, then you need to select this plus icon. Then you'll be able to see 5 options here. If you'd like to add any of your existing post as your featured content, then you need to click here Add a Post. Let's say I would like to add this post as my featured content, then just need to simply click here Feature. Okay, well, if we cross it, then here you can see this content is added to our profile as featured content. Let's say I would like to add a newsletter, then I need to click here. And if I want to add any article, then I need to click here. If I have published any article already, then I can just need to simply click here Feature, then it will be added as featured content. So in this way, we can add link or media. If we want to add completely new content as our featured content, then we need to use this option Add Media. Then we can actually upload any new content in our LinkedIn profile. So in that way, we can add featured content to our LinkedIn profile.